What if your garage, basement, or spare closet could generate real income without a storefront, without a huge investment, and without quitting your day job? Growing mushrooms for profit is one of the most overlooked side hustles available right now, and the barrier to entry is surprisingly low. We're talking about a small farm business idea you can launch for under $500 and scale using nothing but your phone and a few smart platforms. Here's exactly how to start a mushroom business from scratch. First, choose your variety wisely. Not all mushrooms sell equally well. Oyster mushrooms and lion's mane are currently the fastest-moving gourmet varieties at farmers markets and in restaurant kitchens, often commanding anywhere from $8 to $20 per pound, depending on your local market. Shiitake is another strong performer, especially with buyers who prioritize locally sourced ingredients. For your startup setup, you'll need grow bags, mushroom grain spawn, and a humidity-controlled growing space, all available through suppliers like North Spore or Fungi Perfecti, two well-established vendors with beginner-friendly kits. Your total startup cost for a small operation typically falls between $250 and $500. Now let's talk timeline, because profitable mushroom farming doesn't happen overnight, and it's important to go in with realistic expectations. Weeks 1 through 3, set up your grow space, order your supplies, and complete your first inoculation. Weeks 4 through 8, monitor your first flush, troubleshoot humidity and contamination issues, and document your process using a free tool like Notion to track yields and expenses. By the 60 to 90-day mark, most beginners are harvesting their first sellable crop and are ready to approach their first buyers. For sales channels, start local. Approach farmers markets, independent grocery stores, and farm-to-table restaurants directly with a small sample bag and a simple one-page sell sheet. In parallel, build an Instagram presence using short reels showing your grow process. This content performs well organically and builds trust with buyers before they ever meet you. If you want to sell dried mushrooms or mushroom grow kits, Etsy is a legitimate e-commerce option that gives you immediate access to buyers searching for specialty food products. The honest time versus money trade-off here is 5 to 10 hours per week during the ramp-up phase, with income potential that grows as you add more grow bags and refine your process. This isn't a get-rich-quick path. It's a low-cost business idea that rewards consistency, patience, and attention to detail. Results will vary depending on your local demand, pricing, and how consistently you show up each week to tend your grow space and your buyer relationships. If this breakdown was useful, hit subscribe for more side hustle deep dives like this one, and drop a comment letting us know which mushroom variety you'd start with first.